Dear Santa, you've got a big sack jam-packed with heavy gifts of joy that could break your back. I can help you down straight. Let me help release the pressure and reduce the weight. I'll take my gifts now and how. You know what I like and I'm willing to be wowed. I've been a good girl. Giddy up, I say top of your cookies and dig mine in the cup. Santa, how your sock is bulge. Oh, 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 oh. Bursting with the gifts I love. Oh, 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 oh. What could be inside of me? Oh, 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 oh. Won't you sack up festively? You've got a huge sack, getting whack. The strain must be a constant risk of heart attack. Let me hold it, pick it up, keep it upright and inspect it myself. Trust me, fingers crossed, I'll handle it with care so nothing gets tossed. Let me hold it, jingle bells, see something for me right there where it swells. Santa, how your sack does bulge. Oh, 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 oh. Bursting with the gifts I love. Oh, 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 oh. What could be inside of me? Oh, 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 oh. Oh, 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 oh. Won't you sack up festively? Oh, 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 jolly Yuletide clown, come on down, loosen your belt, recline by the fire. I'll roast some nuts and sing like a choir. I've been a good girl, I saved you a cookie. I've been a good girl, well, half a cookie. Better than no cookie. That's true, right? And you did leave me here unattended for quite some time with a plate of cookies, so whose fault is that? Right? Santa, how your sack does bulge. Oh, oh, oh,